My name's Lucas Haddock and I'm here with Zac, who's won the Lifting Technician Award here at the CPA Stars of the Future Awards. How do you feel, Zac?
It's all a bit crazy, really. Happy to be nominated and even happier to win, but definitely a surprise and very emotional.
It's very surprising. With that award, you get to go to the Liebherr factory in Germany.
Yeah.
What's your thoughts on that?
Oh, it's going to be exciting, really. And when you operate these machines day in, day out, it's interesting to see where they've actually been made and see it all in action.
Well, we've got a big question here. What originally made you join the industry?
To be fair, it was a friend of mine that was already in the company, in the industry, and I just thought it was time for a change. Started as just a van driver, found an interest in cranes and slowly pushed my way into to get on them.
And what would be one thing you'd say to a younger person who wants to join the industry?
Just get involved, be keen, and just push yourself as much as possible. And like I said, get involved, look like you're interested.
Is there anything you think the industry can help young people with a bit more?
Well, I don't know, that's a very good question. Just showing people what the avenues you can take. I mean, before I started at my company, you wouldn't even think crane driving was a thing. It's not something you think about. So definitely just more marketing and pushing it out for younger people to know that there is a career out there for it.
Well, that's brilliant, Zac. And good luck to you on the rest of your journey. And I hope you enjoy that Liebherr factory visit.
I definitely will. Thank you.